So one of the main advantages of myCNC is that it has an extensive parts library built into the software. So not only can we load in extremely complex programs that we can then play around with, we can cut them, but let's say we'd also like to just do some very simple cuts, um, and we don't want to use a full-fledged CAM software to first draw them in and then have to import them into the myCNC software. We just want a very simple cut right from the get-go within myCNC. And we can do that by going into our main menu, into our parts library, and here we have about 80 sample parts, ranging from something very simple like a rectangle or a circle right here, to something much more complex. And so, for example, let's say we'd like to select one of these parts. We can choose one, and then we can play around with it. So, for example, here we have a diagram of this part with all the major measurements being adjustable. And here we have a visualization of what that program will look like once we have loaded it into the myCNC software. So let's say I'd like maybe 6 shapes overall. Maybe I'd like to change our length A here to 500 perhaps. And maybe I'd like to change this little cutout to, let's say, I will put it at 150 here, and this size E to 60. And after I've played around with it and I'm satisfied with this program that I'm creating, I can simply load it into the myCNC software and begin the cut. And it will still follow all of the typical rules, so it will automatically add all of your lead-ins, lead-outs, your pierce commands, etc. And you can find out more about myCNC advantages at pv-automation.com/products/myCNC control software. Thank you for watching.